welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on YouTube without making a YouTube video. So the first thing you would have to do is you would have to choose your niche. Now when you choose your niche, and with the kind of niche you want to go to, the most popular niches that you have out there, health and fitness is amongst them, how to make money online, wealth niche is there, and technology, and so many other niches out there. So you decide the niche that you want to work on. So when you are done deciding and you're very sure the niche that interests you, now the next step will be you go ahead and create a YouTube channel. Now when you create a YouTube channel, why I said it's important you decide on your niche first before creating your channel is this. When you're creating your channel, you have to make sure you optimize your channel based on the niche you will be dealing on. Let's say you've chosen the niche of health and fitness. Now you would have to make sure that your profile picture and your banner has some element of that word health and fitness embedded in them. And then in your description, you would have to make sure that your profile in general is search engine optimized. So you've put in the right keywords that will make your page searchable when people go to Google to search on that kind of YouTube channel, so that yours will be shown. Now when you've created your channel and you've made sure that your channel is search engine optimized, the next thing is you're gonna go to YouTube platform and select a video based on your step by step from there. Let me quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like this video. Click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So stick with me. I'm gonna take you step by step and show you how you can make money on YouTube without creating a YouTube video. So first and first, you go to your YouTube platform. This is the platform. Let's say we want to, our niche is on health and fitness. So let's type in health and fitness. The reason we are doing this is we want to get the highest viewed video on health and fitness. So this is it here, guys. All these videos are related to health and fitness. Now we're going to filter this because we want the highest viewed video. That's what we want to work on. So you come over here that says filters, you click on that. Now we're going to be filtering this based on the month. So we're gonna click on this month because we want the highest viewed video on health and fitness in this month. So we click on this month. We click on view count. It's gonna give us the list of the highest viewed for this month. One is 217,000 views 8 days ago. This is 166,000 views 6 days ago. Let's go with the one that has the highest view, which is this one. It just only 8 days ago. You can see the video is doing well. So what we will do, let's click on the video. We would have to download this video because this is the video we're going to use. So we'll click here that says download and with the video. Now when we've done downloading this video, we'll take it to the next stage. I'm gonna take this video to Canva and work on this video. Then I'll tell you the next step. Stick with me and subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is Canva here. Canva has two options. You either become a paid partner on Canva or you go with the free version. So whichever one. If you are using the free version, you will be a bit restricted. Not all the templates you can use, not all the functions you can use. But when you have the paid version, you are free to use any of the templates and functions on the platform. Now let me quickly say that if you are using the free one, Any template that you see that has a crown on it, that means you cannot use that template. It means it is for the paid customers. Remember, we already have our video that we want to use to create whatever we want to create. So we click on create a design because we want to create a YouTube video here that says YouTube video chapter, or you just type it in YouTube video. Another way you can do this is you come up here, you see under here says video, you click on this one that says video, click on it, you check down here, you can see different. This is TikTok video for if you're creating a TikTok video. This one is YouTube video for if you're creating a YouTube video. Now there's something I want you to take note of. Template for YouTube is different from the template for TikTok. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they don't have the same format when it comes to their template, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and click on YouTube video, right? So we have a blank template here that had been, so this is our canvas here where we're going to work on. Video that you downloaded from YouTube, we're going to come over here that says upload. Now when you click on upload, you click on file. Now when you click on upload file, you're gonna export, you're gonna upload that file that you had saved onto your Canva here, right? So let me just go ahead and upload any file at all, just to show you what's not to waste time. So you click on it and you drag it, you see, and you use it, it's there on there. So now we have the video. Yeah, let's say this is the video you downloaded. Now we have the video. We would have to go ahead and edit this video. Add elements. We can go ahead and add elements. We can go ahead and add text. What text heading are you going to add? You just add based on what that video says. Let's go back to that video and see what the title of the video says. Right, this is the video. The video says my 2024 master plan for success. Let's first of all copy this. Let's just copy the first bit of this. Yeah, we copy just this first bit, and then we head back to our Canva and add it as our heading. We'll just paste it here. We just paste it. So this is it here. Done editing this video. You can add elements as well. When you finish editing this, you've added the message you want to add and all that and all that. So what you need to do next is you go here that says share, right? Now you click on download. So if you have a pro version of Canva, you have the option to increase the quality of the video. But if you don't have the pro version, you wouldn't have this option. You can see it has a crown here. That means it's for people that have the paid version. But if you don't, all you need to do, you click here that says download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop or phone or anything. Now when it's downloaded, the YouTube channel you just created, you're gonna take this video and upload it there. Right, so this is how to make money without creating YouTube video. You are not the one who created the video. Remember, it's someone else's video that we downloaded, right? So, but bear in mind there's what is called fair use, right? If you download somebody's video, just one video, it's fair use. You're not breaking any laws. Now, when you downloaded it, you head over to your YouTube channel. Let's say we go over here, YouTube, and you see here that says, this one that says create, you click on it, and then the next one is upload video, right? Now you click on select file, and you upload that particular video. Now, when you upload the video, in your description, you make sure you optimize your description by adding the right hashtags, by adding tags, by adding title and all that. Then under your description, you can also add an affiliate link. That is another way you can make money with that YouTube video that you did not create. But the very first one is partner program. With YouTube partner program, they will use your page, your video to run adverts, and the revenue from those adverts, you and YouTube will share the revenue. So you are making money from that YouTube video that you downloaded from someone else's platform. You didn't create the YouTube video. You're making money with it without creating YouTube video. One way. The second way is through affiliate marketing. Remember that video is talking about health and fitness. Now you would have to register with an affiliate program. Let me quickly show you affiliate programs you can register with. So let's say you are interested in ClickBank or Digistore24. All you would need to do is you come over here, you type in ClickBank affiliates, right? This is their site here. You click on that and then you select this, and this is their platform. When you get to this end place, you click here that says affiliates. Now you are here, you're going to sign up. So when you sign up, you click here to say get started. Now you're just gonna answer a few questions, follow the sign up process, and you sign in. Let's say you are here and you sign back in. This is your ClickBank platform that you've signed up in. So you click here that says top offers. These top offers are the top offers they have for the platform. Now remember, the video is all about health and fitness. So we're going to narrow it down to health and fitness and look for either top or new offers on health and fitness. So this is health and fitness here. They have 659 products on health and fitness. So we're gonna go over here. We'll sort it by gravity high to low. Good. You come over here that says promote. You click on that. Now remember, when you sign in, they're gonna give you an affiliate nickname. You will be the one to provide the nickname. Select any nickname that you want. Now when you type in the nickname here, when you type it in, you click here that says create hop link. So when you click on create hop link, it would create your hop link for you. So this is the hop link here. This one here. This is the link you would have to use to promote your product. Right. So what you need to do, you copy this link. And when you copy this link, now the link that we just copied, you will take it to this tiny URL and paste it there to shorten it. So this is tiny URL here. So here, you're gonna paste that link that we've copied. When you paste it here, you click on shorten URL, right? Now the URL is shortened. This is the shortened one. This one here. This is the one we would have to now copy. We copy it and go to YouTube, paste it in the description. After we had described our video, we paste it under the description there, and we post. Everyone watching that video and clicks on that link, it will bring the person to ClickBank. The person buys the product, you get paid your commission. So that is another way you can